Model, 2016 Ford Transit Custom 292.2 TDCI Ltd E-Tech starts drives needs repair 1 owner tailgate model No Vat. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 214284. MOT, the 9th of March 2026. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2155 PS TDCI-E. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs but it is down on compression on a cylinder so engine will need repairing or replacing No Vat to pay definitely worth fixing, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers, alloy wheels, reversing camera, air